Today we are taking a look at a family suite here at Disney's All-Star Music Resort.
Okay, as we come into the room, you can see that this is a nice sized living area. We have our couch here that pulls down to a queen bed, and then our table that folds down to a queen bed. I'll fold those down in just a few minutes, but there's definitely a lot of room here. Here to the left is our nice smart TV. I love seeing a table lamp here on the credenza. We have 3 drawers similar to the standard rooms. And then more shelving and extra pillows. Right here in this front corner, there's definitely enough room to put a stroller, so that's really good, especially once the beds are folded down. You have double storage here on the right and on the left of each of these beds. There are charging plugs and ports. This is the first bathroom. Yes, I said first. There are 2 bathrooms in this suite. And this is just standard size. You have your little wardrobe area, your ironing board and iron. Got storage up here at the top. Good size storage here on the vanity. You all know that I love that shelf for toothpaste and toothbrushes. Some nice storage underneath here too. And here is the toilet and standard tub shower combo. This door does close. And then there's the full length mirror. And then coming out of the bathroom, this door also closes for privacy. And coming in here, you have your kitchen area, and this is just so cool. This isn't going to be a kitchen like the villas, but look at the size of this freezer and fridge. Definitely enough room for you to put all kinds of food and beverages. Really awesome. There is a ton of storage, lots of drawers. We've got paper plates and paper cups. Your microwave, your coffee area, and then these floating shelves form an L in this little corner. So you could put all kinds of dry goods here, and then microwavable foods, a full-size sink, and then there's some more cabinets down there. A really nice kitchenette area. You'd have to really think about what you want to store here or what you want to cook in this room. At least there's the apartment size refrigerator and then a full-size microwave. So that would be really good, like I said, for microwavable dinners. Or if you're going to order pizza from the food court, you'd be able to microwave that for leftovers. And then off of the kitchenette is the master bedroom. This door closes off the bedroom from the main living area. There is the queen size bed right here. You've got a really nice mirror there, high, and then a really good size little shelf for all of your tablets and phones and all that stuff. And then you have the ports there as well. The standard Mickey, Minnie, and Donald artwork above the headboard. And then you have a cubby on the other side, again with ports and plugs for all your electronics. I really like this lamp with the table, and then a cute little chair, and then another television, and then a credenza, again with the 3 drawers, and then the cabinet on the other side. There's spots underneath that you could put your luggage if you wanted. You could also put it underneath that shelf right there if you needed to. And then this is the second bathroom. Really nice size mirror here. I love that it's backlit. Again, the shelf here. Really good size vanity in this room. And then storage underneath. And then the second toilet shower room. So we have the toilet, and in this room there is a stand-up shower, and that has the handheld. So 1 tub shower combo, 1 stand-up shower. You have your cubby and wardrobe area here. I'm going to go ahead and fold down these beds so that you can see what it looks like when everything is all ready for sleeping. And there are the beds folded down. You can still see there's a decent amount of room to move around the beds. I just put these 2 chairs here in the corner. They could be moved somewhere else. Even put one of these in the master bedroom if necessary. But there still is a really good amount of room here. And one thing that I didn't mention, this ottoman opens up for even more storage. Got some fun artwork there when the beds get pulled down. Just a really, really nice room. Very, very pleased, pleasantly surprised at the amount of space that will sleep 6 people. Well, that's going to do it for this room tour of a family suite here at Disney's All-Star Music Resort. Have you stayed in these rooms for your larger family? If you have, let me know in the comments what you loved about this value resort. I hope that you liked this video. If you want to see more content of my family coming to Walt Disney World, make sure to hit like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any room tours as well as our adventures along the way. That's going to do it for today. I'm Nick, and I will see you all real soon. Bye, friends.
Goodbye now. Goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you. Goodbye. Goodbye now. Goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you. Goodbye. Goodbye now. Goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you. Goodbye. Goodbye now. Goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you. Goodbye.